Hey, wait a minute. Is that? It is! Look who's coming out here!
This isn't his match, but it looks like he's got a bone to pick with one of the superstars.
Yeah, and he doesn't look too happy to see him either. Did you hear the trash talk between them? I don't think he's going to stay focused in this match.
WWE invades the Great White North for Monday Night Raw tonight as we come to you live from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. And King, how excited are you for this opening match?
Well, you know, we are in Montreal, so I can't get too excited. There's no other match I'd rather see to kick this night off than this one, though, Cole. Oh, yeah. This one should be great, and it's just going to keep getting better as the night goes on. Rusev reversing it. Incredible.
Not every move is designed to get the fans off their feet.
Here's somebody who's willing to do just about anything to get to the top. I like it. That's the way it should be.
And what a reversal from Rusev.
And now Rusev pushing forward.
Oh, they couldn't. These two superstars are at a standoff here.
Wait a minute. He needs to stay focused here. He shouldn't turn his back to his opponent during the match. Oh, or that happens.
Not today, too fast. Clearly on a mission here.
This guy's just too strong. He's in full-on attack mode now.
And there's the reversal from Rusev. Talk about a target. The largest bullseye is always on someone's back.
Yeah, that's bad.
Quick thinking to avoid that. I'd say that's more embarrassing than anything else. I'll let the doctors formalize the prognosis, but the way he's holding his arm with such a limited range of motion could mean he suffered nerve damage.
Yeah, you're right, Cole. These are scary moments. All we can do is hope that the damage he suffered in this match isn't permanent.
One of these guys is going to walk away with the win here tonight. I just can't imagine one of them also accepting defeat.
This is not the position you want to be in. If he keeps this up, this one will be over in no time.
You have to wonder what's going through these guys' minds in a match of this magnitude.
Oh! Wow, he's still down after that.
He's simply reminding him that he's here. And what a reversal from Rusev.
Oh, look at this. Rusev doing some good work here.
Not today, too fast. We're looking at complete domination here.
Camel clutch locked in, wrenching on the neck and lower back. Great hold being applied.
And there's the release. What's going to happen now?
I'm scared to ask. We've talked at great lengths about Rusev's annihilating offense. Well, the way the Bulgarian Brute finishes opponents is equally alarming. Rusev's accolade is one of the most paralyzing submission moves sports entertainment has ever witnessed. You can actually hear the victim's bones break. Great crab locked in. Good base. This is going to be difficult to fight out of.
Seems like these guys are letting out a lot of pent-up frustration tonight. Now he knows what getting tossed feels like. It's not fun. Rusev has the focus of a cyborg. This man will not be deterred and will not be denied in his quest to expunge WWE of all its superstars. Rusev wants to be the only man standing with every WWE title in his possession.
Oh my gosh, Cole, that's a terrifying scenario. But Rusev is the one superstar that has the skills and heinous visions of dominance to make that a reality. I don't think the WWE's safe. Correction, I know WWE's not safe. Rusev is down. Man, did he crash to the canvas.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. A bone-jarring shoulder tackle there.
Oh, that'll knock your legs right out from under you.
The right hand hook. This one's in the books.
Hey, hook and book. It rhymes, Cole. Cole, what's he got in mind? Nowhere to go.
What diabolical things are going through that mind right now?
When you get in control like this, you want to throw everything at your opponent. And that could be what we're seeing here.
We're looking at complete domination here.
Whoa, there's no wasted movement. Anytime you can string offense together like that, it helps confuse and dismantle your opponent.
The tension.
It's safe to say the entire WWE locker room has just been put on notice.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him. Keep the action inside the ring. That's where you're going to win this thing.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
I can't blame him. Keep it in the ring. Look out what's going on here. Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. Look out. Oh, submission. The hold's locked in. Oh, man, this has got to hurt. What a win. Man, he's got to feel great.